Welcome to the world of swing trading with the powerful PZ Swing Trading Indicator for MetaTrader. Swing trading aims to capture market swings in the trend's direction, using technical analysis to buy weakness and sell strength within a day to a week timeframe. With the Swing Trading Indicator, you'll gain a winning edge with an impressive success ratio because it allows you to profit from market swings without falling victim to whipsaw movements or fake trends, which will reverse right away and won't offer any tradable pullback. The colored price band represents the opportunity baseline, while the colored dashes indicate possible reversal swings. The color of the price band represents the trend direction, a blue band means the trend is bullish, and a red band means the trend is bearish. Trades are signaled when the price pulls back into the baseline and rebounds out of it. But that's not all, this indicator analyzes its own quality and performance, ensuring you're equipped with reliable settings for your trades. Plus, with its multi-timeframe dashboard, you can effortlessly monitor multiple timeframes. Flexibility is key in trading, and the Swing Trading Indicator knows it. You can customize the trend period and swing period to align with your preferred trading style, trend length, and trade duration. If your goal is to capture long trends, all you need to do is to increase the period of the indicator. Additionally, the Swing Trading Indicator is non-repainting and non-backpainting and implements email, sound, visual, and push alerts. Never miss a trading opportunity again. The Swing Trading Indicator is suitable for trading various instruments, including forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and crypto. And it's designed to work properly and provide value from daily charts to 1-hour charts. Swing trading offers you precise timing and protection against being whipsawed in the market. It helps you avoid the noise and volatility that can deceive traders, allowing you to focus on established trends that present real opportunities for profitable swings. Enhance your trading strategy with this powerful tool and unlock the potential for consistent profits with the Swing Trading Indicator. Visit our website at www.point0-trading.com.